Hello everyone. Okay, so let's solve this Olympiad Mathematics. This is very simple, but then let's solve it. Okay, so this is what I want us to do. This is 2 over 3 to the power of x plus, here we're having negative, right? That means we have 1 over 2 over 3 to the power of x, which is equal to 3. Okay, so that is how it is. So that from here we can now multiply. The LCM is 2 over 3 to the power of x, right? So we're going to have 2 over 3 to the power of x multiply by 2 over 3 to the power of x plus, here we have okay, we're going to have 2 over 3 to the power of x multiply by the whole of this, which is 1 over 2 over 3 to the power of x. Let me set this very well. And then this is equal to 3. Let me close this. Okay, so this is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 to the power of x. Okay, so let's continue from here. Now we have 2 over 3 to the power of x in two places. So meaning that here we're going to have 2 over 3 to the power of x in two places. That means we're having square of this. Plus here, this is 2 over 3 to the power of x is going to cancel this 2 over 3 to the power of x. So what is left over there is 1. And this will be equal to 3 into 2 over 3 to the power of x. Now, it will be a mistake if you cancel 3 and 3, because this is already in that bracket, right? Now, let us continue with this. The next thing we will do now is to bring everything to the left. So we'll have 2 over 3 to the power of x all squared. Then, okay, this becomes negative. So we have minus 3 into bracket 2 over 3. This is 2. And this is equally 2. So we have 3 into bracket 2 over 3 to the power of x. Then we have plus 1. And now the whole of this is equal to 0. Now the next thing is, let us replace 2 over 3 to the power of x with a letter, since we have it here and over there, right? So here now we're going to have y squared, because y now is for 2 over 3 to the power of x. Remember, this is negative, so the negative comes. We have 3. 2 over 3 to the power of x is y. Then plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation and we can solve this. A is 1, that is the coefficient of y squared. Then b is equal to minus 3, that is the coefficient of y. And then we have our c to be 1. The formula is y equal to minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac. This is all over 2a. You might be wondering, what formula is this? This is the formula for quadratic equation. We call it quadratic general formula. So from here now, y will be equal to, b is actually minus 3. So negative will give us positive. So we have 3 over here, plus or minus. In here, we're going to have negative 3 squared, then minus 4 times 1 times 1, because both a and c are 1. This will be divided by 2. And now, if we continue with this, y will be equal to 3 plus or minus. Okay, here we're going to have square root of 9 minus 4, which is still over 2. And now if we continue, we will have y to be equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 5, and the whole of this is over 2. Now this is a 2-in-1 solution, so I'm going to break this into 2. Okay, so from here we are going to have this 2, meaning that y is either equal to 3, y is equal to 3 plus square root of 5 over 2, or 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. Yes, this is what we have. And then remember what we said, that y is actually equal to 2 over 3 to the power of x, right? Okay, so let me pick this first. This means that 2 over 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 plus square root of 5 over 2. Now this becomes difficult to deal with. We have to introduce natural logarithm. So we have log 2 over 3 to the power of x equal to log 3 plus 5 over 2, right? But then remember that we are looking for the value of x, and there's a law that says the power here can always go behind. So I'm going to move the power like this. So I'm going to have x log 2 over 3 equal to log 3 plus square root of 5, and this is over 2. The next thing is to divide both sides by log 2 over 3. So I will divide this by log 2 over 3 as well, right? This and this will cancel. So we have x to be equal to, here we have log 3 plus square root of 5 over 2. And now because we have this can come here to be the base. So we have 2 over 3 as the base. In fact, let's put this in brackets so that we can easily read this. This is log 3 plus square root of 5 over 2 to base 2 over 3 because of this. Now what I've done is this. Remember, if you have log A over log B, since they are having the same base, this is the same thing as log A to base B. They are the same thing, and that is what I used for this, right? But then if you now want to get, this is for x1 actually, so to get x2 now, the only difference is that this will turn to negative, because this is what we got as a value for y. We got this and this. I have used this. I'm going to use this now. So let's get it done. Our x2 will be log 3 minus square root of 5 over 2, and then this is to base 2 over 3. So here we have our solutions to the problem, x1 and x2. But if you want to get your answer in decimal point, then you would have to use calculator. Thank you for watching.